When in one of the classes that I teach Yuraq classes, and all of a sudden one of the students got there before me and they started drumming. They were drumming. They were drumming like this. So I was going in the classroom, moving my legs and my whole body, thinking about my good old friend from Japan. His name was Yo, and the other Japanese friend of mine, man, they used to come and eat all my food. You know, they eat my blackfish and walrus meat and everything. And they loved it. And so, and also the other guy name was Koji, or we call him Daiduk. Okay. And man, I started dancing, you know, but I was really tired by the end of the dance, and I said, man, I can't dance this one. And so some of our stereotype is like, man, those Japanese, man, they're great kung fu people, you know. But Yo and Koji, they didn't know kung fu. So, but that was my stereotype, and I decided to make a song for them, a very special song about them, that I want to go one day to Japan, and I don't even know where they live or, but I'm going to look for them. You know, how will I find those two of my friends among all the million people out there? Gee, yo, so this is the song. Huh? What? Yeah. Here goes. Chapanenon kakwe hayaka aglenga Yowaka imna Ivagayak toglo ko kwenga Angaya Angaya Now, now I'm going to look for the other friend. Chapanenon kakwe hayaka agle kojika ho imna hivagayak tolo kokwenga hangaya hangaya Pamyua. Hangaya And here you are. You think I can't dance like that? I'm not going to even try.